Everyone says I want. Most people say I can't. Some people say I hope. Those who believe say I will. The highest levels of success are empowered by the deepest levels of belief. What you believe drives what you do, and what you do determines what you achieve. Whatever is holding you back from the work you really want to be doing, it's time to move past the fear and jump into belief-driven action. And I'm talking about now. Success requires that you believe in yourself 110%, 25 hours of every day. For some, this belief comes naturally. For others, it must be learned and can take years of practice. I want you to achieve extraordinary success, but no matter what you say you want, it cannot come past until you believe it. If you feel disconnected from your purpose, unsure about your next big step, or less than confident in the direction you're going, I hope today these words bring you to the greatness that is within you. Confidence may come natural to you, but for even most courageous entrepreneurs, enormous challenges can shake your purpose and your profits. To arm yourself against the negative impact of inevitable obstacles, it helps to reinforce your commitment with a crystal clear vision of what success looks like to you. It might be launching a new product, raising awareness for your cause, growing a thriving online community into thousands, getting your business to 100K in profits, being able to make enough money to offer scholarships to other aspiring entrepreneurs, anything significant to you. The process of seeing what you want first helps you to develop the belief you need to conquer any challenge that comes your way. What do you really want? It could be a short-term or long-term goal that you want, today, next month, or 10 years from now. Don't put any limitations on yourself. If something comes to mind you think sounds too off the wall, impossible, or unrealistic, write it down in your journal anyways. Embrace your strengths and acknowledge your limitations, and understand the current reality of your situation. Some days you won't believe in yourself, and that's okay. But don't let one moment of disbelief contaminate your entire dream. If you can see where that temporary disbelief is rooted and catch it before it begins to spread like wildfire, you'll be able to identify what's needed to move forward. A change of strategy, a new skill you need to learn, some information you need to collect or verify. We go through overcoming what holds us back. Limiting beliefs are only limiting if we do not do anything about them. Every time you face a fear or limitation, you become a bigger person. And when you get bigger, your life gets bigger. You outgrow your current reality. It pays to reframe the way you look at fear and challenges. Instead of seeing your fear as a warning sign, see it as an arrow pointing you in the direction you need to go. Limiting beliefs or negative thoughts keep creeping into your mind. Get honest with yourself and release any guilt or frustration that comes up. You're always evolving, and this is the next step. The best creators are repeatedly told they're crazy, that they should be reasonable or realistic. And in a social media obsessed world where strangers dictate how we should look and feel, it's easy to succumb to the social pressures around us. When everything else is trying to fall in line, self-belief means being willing to embrace and celebrate everything that makes you, you. Be willing to risk it all to stand in what you know is right for you. Only then you truly believe in yourself. What is it that you truly believe about yourself, your abilities, your purpose? Unshakable belief comes from experience. Some of what you do will be wildly successful, other things you do not so much. And that's okay. In fact, over your creative lifetime, you will probably fall more than you win. Failure is part of getting to the next step, but the key is to not let it devastate you. Learn the lessons. Treat them as trials or practice. Your quest for greatness. Just like you'd offer a bonus to a high-performing employee, take inventory of your successes and celebrate them. Maybe treat yourself to a day spa or splurge on that dream trip. It will keep you motivated. The mind is powerful. It believes what you feed it. The more you focus on the positive, the better you'll stay focused on your goals. Perform and ignore the naysayers. What is your process for turning failures into wins? Your competence is your confidence. One of the problems many creators face is the lack of knowing what to do at the right time to get the right results. Not knowing what to do can kill your belief. Traditionally, schooling doesn't give you practical skills you need to become a successful entrepreneur. Only experience and education can take care of that. So get back at the stuff. Build the skills you lack. Get the information you need. Get a mentor. And then get great at what you do. You may not know it, but there is something about you that no one else has. This girlfriend is your magic. To uncover your magic, or what some will call your unfair competitive advantage, take out a stack of post-it notes. Write down every win you've ever had in your life and put them on a wall. Take stock of what you see and think about what you had to do to achieve that success. Was it your skill set, your mindset, your approach, maybe your perseverance? Put the top 5 to 10 accomplishments on your phone's home screen. Look at yourself every morning and remember why you're awesome. You can't go into business expecting to be an overnight success or that you'll make no mistakes. You can't expect to hit a home run the first time you step up to the mound, and it's the same in business. You might strike out a lot, but it only takes one home run to transform your life. Think about the expectations you have for your business. Are they realistic? Are you asking for success, but unwilling to put in the work to get the result you desire? If your expectations are off, reframe them. You can be successful at what you're doing, but if you're not being realistic, no amount of belief will make it a reality. Confidence is contagious. Belief is contagious. Success is contagious. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded people. Learn from mentors, role models around you. Adopt their principles, strategies, and apply them in your life. You simply become who you spend your time with. Therefore, if your belief is a little weak, get around some people who can feed into you a positive way. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. List 5 people you can surround yourself with that will help reinforce your beliefs and support you on your entrepreneurial journey. Think about the relationships in your life that could get in the way of you achieving your goals. Jot down any relationship you need to release or leave in the past so that you can move forward with your goals. Loving your body is not just about keeping healthy and making yourself look and feel better. It is about gaining the confidence that comes from these things. The more you take care of yourself, the better you'll feel about yourself. And it's that confidence that reinforces the belief you need to accomplish your goals. Think about the ways you can take better care of yourself. Be specific and then write a plan to make it happen. What you constantly tell yourself is what you believe. Remember, success is not something that happens overnight. So every day you need to achieve, reinforce your vision, your goals, your beliefs, so that you can become someone who never backs down from a challenge, always aims to win, and always goes after the big wins. It is important to take into mind that self-care and self-love are the cornerstones of becoming a confident person. You must love the person you see in the mirror in order to be able to accomplish everything you need to do to become who you want to be. It's